Hello friends, welcome back. So in this video we are going to implement some coding with the concept we learned in last two videos. Like in last two videos we learned about different functions which can help you to for the type conversion as well, and we also learn different data types like integer, string and all. Okay, we can also write a code to checking the type. So with the help of all this concept we are going to write a code here, and we are going to add digits of the number input by the user. For example, if user input 27, then we need the output like 2 plus 7 equal to 9. So guys, let's write a code. First of all, I will ask the user for input 2-digit number. So and I'm going to store that variable value inside some variable. So here I'm going to write digit equal to, or the digit equal to input, and inside the bracket I will write enter 2-digit number. 2-digit number. Okay, so user will type any 2-digit number, and here I will check the type of the digit. Okay, digit or the number I think will be more suitable. So here I will have number variable name, and I will check the number of the type of the number, right? So if I run this code, you can see here it is waiting for 2-digit number, and if I type 45, then you can see the type of the number is string. So by default input function will return string type of data. Okay, and we want to get the position wise 2-digit. Okay, so say suppose if I type first digit equal to, then I can write here number of 0, it will return first digit, and then after I will type second digit equal to number of 1. So this is how we will get 2 digits one by one by the position. Okay, once we have 2 digits, we can have the sum of digit. Okay, sum of digits variable I have created, and if I type first digit plus second digit, okay, then it will simply concatenate the digit number you have given, right? So it will simply concatenate, it will not have the sum of the numbers, because the by default it will have the string type. Okay, so we need to convert the string type of number into integer. If you have doubts, you can simply check the output first. Okay, so sum of digits equal to sum of digits. Okay, so simply if I run this code, you can see what outputs we are getting. You can see it is simply returning 4 5, right? So first digit will have 4, second digit we will have 5, and it is simply concat both of the digits, right? So we need addition, so we need to convert this both digit into integer. Okay, so I will type integer function before both digits, so it will convert both digit into integer, then after it will get added in, and 4 plus 5, so we will have the 9 inside the sum of digits, and that sum of digits 9 integer value we need to convert into str here, because it will not allow to concat the integer type of data with the string type of data, right? So we need to convert it to string here. Okay, so you can understand we are having the type conversion here wherever required. Okay, with this if I run this code, you can see the output. If I type something 75, then we are getting 12. Okay, and if you want you can also print 7 plus 5 equal to 10 12, right? So let me make the output more better. So I will type here first digit plus, then after space, then after second digit, then after plus, then after equal to, and then sum. Okay, so let's run and check the output again. So again I type 75, and we are getting 7 5 12. So we missed out plus operator here, So I just have plus here, and let's run and check the output again. You can see 7 plus 5 equal to 10, 12. Okay, so this is how the type conversion can help you anywhere in the program. So guys, I hope you understand the coding. If you have any doubts, you can just drop the message in a comment box and just implement this program with your rappel.com account or anywhere you are writing. Okay, so we will continue the code, new code in next video. Thank you guys, thank you so much for watching this video.